Gene therapy is constantly evolving, and so are the conversations shaping it. Today, those conversations have shifted beyond proving the science. Now the focus is on improving manufacturing, scaling processes, navigating clinical development, and finding ways to reach more patients. The people driving that progress, we exchange ideas, debate approaches, and learn from one another. But those conversations don't often reach the broader gene therapy community. That's why I'm excited to launch Bench Strength. Throughout my career in academia and industry, I've had the opportunity to build relationships with many of the scientists, engineers, clinicians, and industry leaders advancing this field. In each episode, a new guest will join me on the bench to discuss the technical challenges they're solving, the lessons they've learned throughout their careers, and where we see gene therapy heading next. Whether you're just entering the field or been part of it for decades, I hope you'll leave each conversation with a fresh perspective, practical insights, and a deeper appreciation for the people moving gene therapy forward. Thanks for listening. We hope you'll join us on the bench.